Hello friends and welcome to my channel Synchro. I hope you all are fine in this corona time. So I am here again with a new topic, that is group discussion. So let us start with what is group discussion. As the word itself says, group discussion is a discussion by and among a group of people. That group of people can be of 8 to 12 members expressing their views freely, frankly and in a friendly manner. The topic or the subject which is given for the discussion can be the current or the controversial one. It is a spontaneous chit chat, not pre planned. Why it is spontaneous? Because the topic or the subject is given on the spot, or you might have been given 1 or 2 minutes for its preparation, and the discussion starts after that. The time limit for the GD is 20 to 30 minutes, and your whole GD is examined by the examiner or the panel of examiners. So basically this is your group discussion. And one more thing which is important is have a command over one language called English, as your GD is conducted in the language called English only. So try to speak in English and improve your English if you're not well equipped with that. Now let us see with do's and don'ts of participating in group discussion. First we will see the do's. I will read out the point. Keep to the point, make original points with substantial reasoning. Listen to the other participants patiently and attentively. If someone has made a point, don't worry. You can support it or oppose as per situation. Whatever the topic is given, for example, if it is given India versus China, then the subject or the discussion should be around that only. Okay. If you're not speaking in the GD, then listen to the other participants also. As if you have not have any point to say, you can grab some points or ideas from that also. So listening is very important while you are participating in GD. Okay. Modulate the volume, pitch and tone of your voice. If possible, make an attempt at initiating the discussion. Modulate the volume. Why modulate the volume, pitch and tone of your voice? See, if you are speaking something and if you are speaking some important thing, then you can emphasize that thing by raising your voice. Okay, so it gives a good impression or a good impression on the examiner. Okay, and if the topic which is given for the discussion and you know that topic very well, or you have a good command over it, then always try to initiate the discussion, and that initiating gives you the extra edge over the other group members. Be an active and interested participant. Be attentive to the person who is speaking. If you are not speaking, then be an active and interested participant. You should be looking like that, yes, you are there in the GD. Okay. While speaking, address to the whole group, looking each participant in the eye in the turn. While you are speaking, address the discussion to the whole group, not to the particular person. Your voice should be audible and clear to the group members and to the examiners also. Now we will see some don'ts. Initiate the discussion if you do not have sufficient knowledge about the given topic. You don't have much knowledge about the given topic, but you try to initiate it. It gives a bad impression on the evaluator. Okay. Overspeak, intervene and snatch others' chance to speak. Argue and shout during the GD. As earlier I told you, it is a discussion in a very freely, frankly and a friendly manner. So argument and shout has nothing to do with the GD. Let others also speak in the GD. Look at the evaluators or a particular group member, talk irrelevant things. See, whenever you are participating in the GD, always try to address the whole group. Do not see the evaluator or a particular group member. It gives a very, very negative point to you. It shows your low self-confidence. Okay. Pose negative body gestures, display low self-confidence with shaky voice and trembling hands. Yes, when your voice is very shaky, your hands are trembling, it shows what? Low self-confidence, your nervousness. To try to overcome it. Mention erratic statistics. Do not disturb other participants by talking on the side or shuffling papers. When you are not speaking in the discussion, then please do not disturb other participants also. Okay. So these were the some do's and don'ts of participating in group discussion. So this was all about GD. If you like my video, please share and subscribe, and if you have any query, please mention in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for further updates. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.